welcome to Gruvgear Guitar, Zach Bryan. This song is called Drowning, and this is one of the 25 songs from his latest album called With Heaven on Top. So 25 tracks on that album. We're not going to cover all of them, of course not, because that takes some time. But we will bring out a couple of them, the best in my opinion. So we're going to start with this Drowning. Very nice song, this one, and simple to play, okay? You don't need to have any capo or set up on the fretboard, and you have only these common chords, the E minor, C, G, and D. So that will be nice. Let's go into the chords, and we're going to start with the G chord. So that goes 3rd E, 2nd A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Next is the E minor, open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. We have the C add 9. Okay, so it goes 3rd E, A, 2nd D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. And then we have the D. And that will be open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. So again, these 4 famous chords. Imagine how much music is created with only these 4 chords. Now this is one of them. Let's go into the strumming and learn that. So if you grab the first chord G, 1 string around goes like this. So I'm going to play first 2 downs, and I'll play the first down on the bass strings, and the other one kind of answering on the higher strings. So the 2 downs, and then comes up, down, up for 3 times. Up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up. And that's it. So down, down, up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, and so on. So a couple of rounds like this. Forth. So let's go into the first verse. We're gonna play G, 1 string around, then E minor 1, C add 1, and back to G1. So it both starts and ends on that G. And that will be 1 round. You're gonna play 2 rounds here in the first verse. Let's play 1 round together like this. And second starts right there. That is the first verse. Then comes the chords at 41 seconds in. I ain't never been this deep before. That's where on the lyrics. What you're going to play now is 4 rounds in total. The first 3 rounds you're going to play like this. Okay, so you're going to play 1 down of the following chords: E minor, D, C, and then you're going to end with E minor, 1 string around. That will be 1 round, okay? So E minor, D, C, 1 down per chord, and then 1 string around on the E minor. So both starts and ends on E minor. Again, you're going to play this for the first 3 rounds. The 4th and final round, you're going to play exactly the same, but instead of playing E minor and the end there with 1 string around, you're going to play G with 1 string around. So the 4th and final round goes like this. And that will be the chorus. And after the chorus comes the instrumental part after each and every chorus here. So on this first instrumental part, you're going to play the verse play for 1 round. That means, again, the G, 1 string around, E minor, 1 string around, C add 1 string around, and G, 1 string around. Okay, so that is the end of this first round. Let's go into the second round of everything. You're going to play the verse play exactly in the same way as we learned the first one. 2 rounds of that, G, E minor, C, and G. And then you're going to play almost the same in the second chorus. You're going to play the first 3 rounds in the same way. 1 down on E minor, D, C, and then E minor, 1 string around. You're going to play that for 3 rounds, but then instead of playing just 1 round of that E minor, D, C, and G in the end, you're going to play for 2 rounds. So this second chorus is about 5 rounds in total. 3 of the first one and 2 of the second one with this G in the end. That followed by the second instrumental part. You're gonna play the verse play 2 times now, okay? Not only 1 time, 2 times. So that G, E minor, C, and G. And then you're gonna finish off the song with the outro. It's played with 1 down of the following chords: G, E minor, C add, and finally G. And that's, my friends, is how you handle Drowning by Zach Bryan. So if you're a fan of him, make sure you subscribe to his channel. It's about time. There will come more songs from him, especially from the latest album here. We're gonna pick a few here and there. So yeah, be back here for our next upload. Hope you enjoyed this one, and if you did, leave me a like. And yeah, see you soon. Till next time, play tuned.